Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going over positive and negative numbers. Let's say I build a big Lego tower and it's 1 meter tall. Now, let's say my little sister comes along and takes away 4 pieces from the top and hides them. If each Lego piece equals 1 centimeter tall, then the tower is now 96 centimeters tall. Another way of saying this is my tower is -4 centimeters below the completed height. If the next day my little sister takes another 6 pieces of Lego, the height would now be 90 centimeters tall. Now the tower is -10 centimeters below the completed height. A popular way of representing positive and negative numbers is with a number line like this. Let's say this number line represents how many centimeters the tower is above or below the completed height. So, when we look at 0, it doesn't mean the tower is 0 centimeters tall. 0 means that there aren't any extra Lego pieces on top and none have been taken away. So in this case, 0 represents 100 centimeters tall. When my sister took +4 Lego pieces away, that's equivalent to -4 away. So we'll go back on the number line 4 times. And we can see that it equals -4. And when she took another +6 pieces away, that moved me down another 6 places. Which is -10. To fix my tower, I need to add +10 pieces. One thing to remember with positives and negatives is that 2 negatives equals a positive, which sounds strange. It's sort of like saying the word not twice in a sentence. Another way to understand is to use a number line. Every time my sister took away pieces, they were getting added to the total she has taken. But taking away a negative is like saying she'd be reducing the amount that she has taken, or adding them back to the tower. So, notice how adding moves us in the positive direction, and subtracting takes us in the negative direction. But when the number is a negative, the opposite happens. Another way of looking at it is that every time my little sister walks past my tower, she will take away at least a few pieces of Lego. So the formula could be SWPT equals -4. Let's do some more examples. If I have a +3 and I take away a +5, since I'm subtracting, I'll go in this direction 5 times. And that equals -2. Then, what if I take away, which is in this direction, but it's a -7, so that changes the direction, and we go this way by 7 spaces. This equals +5. Now, what if I take away, so it's back in this direction, and it's a +3, so we stay in that direction. So I'll do the +5 minus that 3, and we land on 2. So it equals +2. Now, if I add, so I'll go in this direction, but it's a -8, so I'll go back in this direction. I'll go back by 8 steps. And that equals -6. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you want to see me do any more work with positive and negative numbers, let me know.